Hello, hello, hello. I'm on the road again. But you know what? In the past, when I think about creating a content, I'm always looking for the perfect setting. I have to be home. I have to do this. I have to do that. But I realized that, and I've come to terms with that, my channel is about me, you know, I operate and how I live and everything like that. You see what I'm saying? So that's what the content's going to be about. I will not allow myself to constantly force creating the content in a perfect setting. It has to be this or it has to be that way. Some days you gotta get it that way, some days you're not, because whatever I'm doing, that's what I'm gonna be filming. And as I'm in my car driving, I'm filming on my cell phone. So for anyone of you guys out there trying to start a YouTube channel, use your phone. I've been using my phone. I don't have a camera. Use your phone, create your content, level up as time allow, and keep it moving. But today I'm going to IKEA to look for some window treatment. Also, I haven't been to IKEA in a long time. And this week is Teachers Appreciation Week at Jackson School. So I have the list of the things that is two of his classroom teachers like and don't like, and from that list I will pick accordingly and create a little bag. Because what they did was all this week I had to bring something specific for a day. I couldn't do that. I'm like, y'all play too much. So I would just get a bunch of things off the list and drop it off today before dismissal. But honestly, I think for teachers right now, nothing beats cash or a gift card or a Visa gift card or a gift card to the stores that they like, so they can get whatever they want, you know what I mean? So I think I'm leaning towards getting gift card to Target, getting their favorite snacks, and their favorite drink. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let's go to IKEA. Okay guys, I made it to IKEA, but I think I'm early, hence an empty parking lot, because normally them folks be here. Yeah, I think I'm early though. Early. I gotta check the time though to see what time they open, but based on this parking lot situation, I think they're probably open at 10. If that's the case, I'm just gonna let's see. Yeah, they open at 10 o'clock, but the restaurant open at 9:30. Excuse me. So I'm gonna park and do a little bit of administrative work, and then I will come back on and talk to you guys in a little bit. Alrighty. Okay, I'm in the curtain section, and I want curtains for my bedroom. Something neutral. But I think IKEA has some of the best curtains at the most affordable price. Look at this one. This is not bad. It's kind of a taupe color. That's not bad. I want this one a bit lighter though. Let's see. But that's a good contender. It's the Vilborg. I'm gonna need IKEA to have like English words, okay? Because these are definitely these are the ones I have. No, it's not this one. It's a darker one. But because my bedroom has that dark color, I'm really wanting something neutral. This is nice. I just don't like the top. Oh, girls, look, 20% off linen duvet, cushion covers, and curtains. Oh, this goes until the end of May, so just in case. Oh, guys, these are bad. Oh, but look, that's 57-inch. We don't need that. We need 98, right? That's 84, 65. We need regular linen. Now, who uses these short curtains? All right. Okay. This one is, it says Tabast. So let's see what that one looks like. Oh, this is this one. I don't know, guys. It's not bad. It's a little bit, it's not heavy, but I like the linen ones, this kind of ones. All right, let me look and see what I come up with. See you guys in a little bit. So, got a few things. Hopefully they work. I'll see you at the house. Hey guys, it's been a day. I honestly, as you can tell, I just woke up. My schedule has changed a little bit. I'm working on a new project. I have a crazy workout routine, which I do maybe at least 1.5 to 2 hours every single day. And some days it's just, today was just tiring. So took a nap, but I'm like, you know what? I have to keep on going in regards to getting this content done. Because what I'm trying to do is like film as much, stop edit, and then just upload them all. I'm just trying to figure out, I'm trying to do something here. Okay, so now I'm in Jackson's former room. So in the previous video, I showed you guys the things I got from HomeSense. And I didn't show this. It wasn't. It was a clip in the video that I did purchase. I did purchase this lamp. I like it. I like the texture, the detail, shade. It was like $32 a piece. I think it would be nice in here. I wasn't going for nothing crazy and stuff like that. So I'm literally, I stripped the bed down. I'm going to make it up. Possibly just have this room looking halfway decent because it's a mess. The other room, my other son room, is filled with clothes because, excuse me, I've been doing laundry and just dumping it over there. Normally, I send my laundry out to get done, but for some reason, I didn't confirm the pickup date, so therefore they didn't come. If you don't confirm it, they're not gonna come. Was that it, or did JB cancel the pickup? One or the other. So I end up having to do laundry, and it's just been, you know, sometimes you do laundry and you forget about them in the washer, and then you gotta redo it. That's been what's been going on, and it's just like, oh, and I don't like to do laundry. I honestly don't. I wish I had something I could fold and put away, but they do not. So I'm just gonna make the bed back up. Using this blue set, old blue set I got from Costco. And then let's see what we can do in here. It's gonna be really simple. Okay guys, so excuse me, I did put the lamps up. They look very nice. I love it. I honestly love this room. It's very cool. These are the artwork I was making reference to before that I showed in the video. because these are the two floral one, those are the two, I guess you can say abstract one. I'm really leaning towards putting it on this bar right here, but not quite sure what we're gonna do yet. But this is